This production line is suitable for the production of fried sliced potato chips line. A complete set of equipment consists of cleaning and peeling, slicing, blanching, dehydration, frying, degreasing, seasoning, packaging, and auxiliary equipment. It has the advantages of low one-time investment, low energy consumption, multiple functions, small size, high profit, convenient use and maintenance, etc. Automatic design, smooth carrying, no noise greatly improve production and processing efficiency. The production capacity is 200千克 per hour. Welcome to contact us.